Right guys, have you just bought yourself a DJI Mini 3 and you're struggling to use quick transfer? Well, we're going to show you how to do it. So you need to download the DJI Fly app, either log into it or create an account, and then we'll show you what to do next. Right, so once you've downloaded the DJI Fly app, open up the app and click quick transfer. So what it should do now is it should start searching for the drone. So what you need to do is, you need to go back to the drone, press the power button 3 times, but then hold it in, and then it should show up on the screen. So we'll give that a whirl. And as you can see, it's showing up. So you click your drone, it asks you if you want to join. You can view your album, and you can select all your photos and you can download them to your phone. I was struggling for a few weeks to try and figure out how to use the quick transfer, but couldn't find no tutorials, anything, or any help guides or anything like that. So eventually we found out how to do it, and we just thought we'd share it with everybody. But if you like this, click like and subscribe and follow for more content.